go.
Walk on. Kick him. Kick him really big.
Come on.
Kick him. Just take a big...
Walk on. Let's go.
Yeah. Yay! Make him walk a little bit more by kicking him a little bit more. Wait. Turn left. Well, not turn left, but like turning right.
You just took that one.
Oh. We just enjoy the ride. I guess let him do what he wants, but not going towards me. Anything but that Trenton. I'll just stand still. Oh, look how cute he is.